Everyone's talking about crypto, but how do you actually make money with it? Not just buy a coin and hope for the moon. I'm breaking down 12 legit ways to make money in crypto with real use cases, what's risky, what's passive, and where to start. Even if you're a total beginner, from staking to NFT flipping to degen farming without getting rugged to the tools pros actually use, we've got it all covered. So if you're tired of vague advice and want a real step-by-step breakdown, this is your guide. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. This is MoneyWise, where we turn internet noise into smart money decisions. 1. Buy and hold, spot investing. First up is the most obvious, but still effective. Buy and hold, aka hodling. This is where you buy coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or even mid-cap altcoins, and just hold them for the long term. It's low effort, low stress, but only if you pick strong fundamentals. Tip: only invest what you're willing to leave untouched for at least 2 to 3 years. Comment your favorite coin below. I reply to every crypto question. 2. Crypto staking. Staking is like earning interest on your crypto. With coins like Ethereum, ADA, or even Matic, you can lock your tokens and get rewards, kind of like a fixed deposit for crypto. Passive, works in most countries. You can stake through wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet or platforms like Binance. Tip: always check the APY, annual percent yield, and the unbonding time. Some coins take 7 to 21 days to withdraw after unstaking. Liquidity providing DEXs. If you've used DeFi platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or Trader Joe, you've seen LP tokens. You can provide liquidity to trading pairs like ETH USDT and earn a portion of the trading fees. Risk: impermanent loss. Reward: often higher APY than staking. Tip: stick to stablecoin pairs like USDT/USDC if you're just starting. If you want a separate video on how to LP safely, drop A in the comments. 4th day trading, scalping. Now we get into active income, crypto trading. This includes spot trading, futures, and scalping short-term price moves. High potential gains, but high risk if you don't know technical analysis. Best for those willing to learn charts, risk management, and trading psychology. Tools: TradingView, Binance Futures, Bybit, CoinGlass. If you're trading right now, comment your win rate below. Be honest. 5. Cloud mining, GPU mining. Traditional mining still exists, but it's changed. You can either buy hardware and mine coins like Kaspa or Flux, or use cloud mining platforms to rent hash power. Upfront cost, but long-term ROI. Warning: be cautious with cloud mining scams. Use verified providers only. Tip: solo mining is rarely profitable for beginners. Pools equals better. 6. Freelance for crypto. Got skills? You can offer freelance services and get paid in crypto. Platforms like CryptoJobs, LaborX, Braintrust let you earn in BTC, ETH, USDT for doing work like writing, coding, designing, or translating. Great for Pakistan, India, and global freelancers. Want me to drop a Fiverr-style gig that pays in USDT? Let me know in the comments. 7. NFT flipping. This one's volatile, but if you're strategic, NFT flipping can be profitable. Look for low mint price, strong community, and upcoming utility. Sites to watch: OpenSea, Magic, Eden, Blur if you're advanced. Avoid hype-based rugs. Use tools like Nansen or Mobi.gg. Tip: time sales around whitelist mint pumps, not the public FOMO dump. 8. Crypto affiliate marketing. Crypto projects, wallets, and exchanges offer affiliate programs. You share a referral link. When someone signs up or trades, you earn. Platforms like Binance, KuCoin Ledger offer lifetime commissions or sign-up bonuses. Zero investment, works globally. Want my top 5 high-paying affiliate programs for crypto? Type affiliate in the comments. 9. Learn to earn platforms. Yes, you can literally get paid to learn crypto. Platforms like Coinbase learn CoinMarketCap, earn Binance Academy with quizzes. They'll reward you with real crypto tokens for watching lessons and answering questions. Tip: use a fresh account plus verify identity to unlock all rewards. 10. Crypto cashback and rewards. Did you know you can get paid in crypto for everyday shopping? Apps like Crypto.com, Visa Card Lolly Storm X, let you earn cash back in BTC or ETH just by shopping or using a debit card. Works in the USA, parts of Europe, and expanding globally. 11. Create a crypto content channel. If you're good on camera or even behind it, crypto content pays. YouTube ad revenue, affiliate links, paid promos, courses. Start a channel, a TikTok, or even a blog around crypto education. It's a growing niche with demand. Percoco. Thinking of starting a crypto channel? Drop your idea below and I'll give you feedback. 12. Build a tool, site, or ebook. Lastly, think beyond apps. Build a free crypto tracking tool, a Notion template, or write an ebook on crypto basics. Then sell it on Gumroad or share it through Twitter, X, and Telegram groups. You don't need to be a dev, just be helpful and consistent. Wrap up plus power strategy. You just saw 12 real ways to earn in crypto. Some passive, some active, some requiring skills, but all legit. Here's how I'd stack them if I was starting today. Stake and learn to earn for passive base use skills to freelance or do affiliate marketing. Then scale with content, NFTs or LPs once you've got capital. Avoid random Telegram pump coins. Avoid FOMO. Start slow. Build fast. If this helped, smash the like button. It really helps more people find real crypto content. Subscribe to MoneyWise for weekly crypto, side hustle, and smart income strategies. Comment below, which method will you try first? Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Money Rocket.